We are Zero Technologies, specializing in the research, development, and manufacturing of HVAC products. Serving customers worldwide, we leverage our expertise and experience to create more efficient and environmentally friendly HVAC solutions. This is our Z-Free US Series split air conditioner, designed specifically for the North American market. It supports dual voltages of 115V and 208 to 230V, covers a cooling capacity of 9K to 24K BTU, and is suitable for residential and apartment use. This split system offers outstanding energy efficiency with a maximum SEER2 rating of 19.0 for efficient operation throughout the year. Both cooling and heating capacities reach 24,000 BTU-H, covering a wide range of space requirements. With a minimum operating noise level of just 19 dBA, it provides a quiet and comfortable indoor environment. The system is suitable for a wide range of outdoor temperatures from 5 degrees to 122 degrees, ensuring stable and reliable operation even in extreme climates. Traditional R410A refrigerants have high emissions and face policy restrictions, but our split-type unit uses R454B environmentally friendly refrigerant, which has a global warming potential, GWP, of only 466, reducing carbon emissions by approximately 80% compared to R410A. The Z-Free US Series has obtained ETL certification and AHRI Energy Efficiency Performance certification, with product safety, electrical performance, and energy efficiency parameters, all compliant with North American market standards. The structural design takes into account a variety of engineering environments. It supports refrigerant pipe connections up to 50 meters in length, a maximum height difference of 25 meters, flexible installation, and an indoor unit airflow rate of up to 1,000 cubic meters per hour with multiple adjustable settings. The outdoor unit uses a GMCC rotary compressor to ensure system stability and long-term operational life, making it suitable for complex building structures and meeting diverse engineering application requirements. It is widely applicable to various air conditioning needs, such as family residences, apartment buildings, offices, studios, etc. From new construction to old building renovation, it can be quickly deployed, flexibly connected, and efficiently operated. This split unit has been widely used in the North American and Latin American markets and has received positive reviews from many partners. The Z-Free US Series split air conditioners provide reliable air conditioning solutions for global markets with environmentally friendly refrigerants and high efficiency. Got questions or interested in teaming up? Feel free to contact Zero Technologies anytime. We'd love to hear from you.